Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this smoky purple look, so if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So for this look, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I'm taking this lighter purple shade, and I'm using a Luxie blending brush, and I'm just running that into my crease.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And then I'm taking this purple shade, and I'm running that into my crease as well with a smaller blending brush from Luxie. And I did do this look just obviously to show you guys how I did it, but then I also which I didn't show you, I did a black veins on the side of my face for my TikTok, so if you like to see that, go check it out. And then I went in with this dark purple shade right here, and I'm using a defining crease brush, and I'm just running that to my crease and a little on the outer corner as well. So the makeup I'm showing you today is going to be the makeup I'm going to have for my original character. Her name is Anessa. She is a Cambion, half demon, half human, and her story is going to be playing out on my TikTok, so if you'd like to go see that, be sure to check it out. I have an outfit for her, and jewelry, and the black veins, and I don't know, I think it's really fun to kind of incorporate like just a regular makeup look that I'm showing you guys here, and then having that be the base look for my look that I'm doing on TikTok.
Are we dreaming? What we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And then next I'm going into the black shade, taking that same defining crease brush, and I'm just patting that all over my lid, bringing it all the way up to the crease colors, and then blending it together.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And then for my lower lash line, I just took that lightest purple shade first and ran it along my lower lash line, obviously. I'm using a Royal and Langnickel, I think this is a shader brush, just like a small smudger brush. And then I'm going in with that second purple color that I used before.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And then with a small angled brush, I am taking that darkest purple shade and running it closest to my lower lashes. And then I'm going to be taking another small angle brush from Wet n Wild, and then I'm going to be using that black shade I used all over my lid from the same palette, and then running that even closer to my lower lash line. Then I am taking the LA Girl Cosmetics Glide Gel Liner in the shade Very Black, and I'm just running that into my waterline.
Are we dreaming?
And then for mascara, I went in with the Essence Lash Princess Mascara and coated my top and lower lashes.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And then for my inner corner highlight, I took this shimmery shade. It's called Leo. And I'm just using a small pencil brush from Luxie. And I'm just popping that into my inner corner. Then to finish off my base, I went in with the BH Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tranquil Tan. I'm just using a fluffy angled face brush to bronze up my cheekbones. Then I went in with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour Palette, taking this shade, and I'm just using that to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline using a foundation brush from Luxie. And then I wanted a pretty intense highlight, so I went in with the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade... Oh goodness, what is this? I think it's... Oh my god, I can't remember the name of this. It's like a white gold color. I will have the name of it down in the description box below. No, wait, I think it's called Golden Lights. I'm pretty sure it's called Golden Lights. And then for lips, I went in with two liquid catsuit lipsticks from Wet n Wild. First, I went in with the shade Widow's Peak and ran that all over my lips.
Dreaming.
Then I am taking the shade Lavender Crown and I'm putting this onto the innermost part of my top and bottom lips and then blending it out. First rubbing it together and then just tapping it out with my fingers.
I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming.
And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming.